let's make a group video call on Instagram. Now, there are a bunch of different options out there in terms of making a group video call. You could use Zoom, Skype, FaceTime. There are a bunch of different options. However, Instagram has some really cool features that I think you would like, and it's a great way to call somebody even if you don't know their phone number, but you're just following them or they follow you on Instagram. So to do that, let's hop into Instagram and we will tap the messages at the top right. And then we will tap the camera icon at the very top right with the plus. And on here, you can see a bunch of different friends that I can call. If you want to do a group call, you'll start it off with one person. So I'm going to tap next to Haley here. Now that I've started this group call, I can tap the two people at the bottom right and then tap the invite. This allows me to create this group call. I can add in any of these people, just tap the call button and it will add them to this group call. Another really cool thing is you can tap share link here and you can copy it or text it. And you can see right here, it is called join call. So basically you just text the link to whoever you want. You can email it, share it however you want. And that will give them a link directly to this video call as well. So if you wanted to talk to someone all of a sudden on Instagram doing a video call, you can just text them a link and they'll be able to hop right into that. And of course, you can just tap the call button here to add those people to the group call. Usually it works best up to about 6 people. More than that, it might not let you depending on internet connections with different people. But it works up to about 6 people. So if it's an entire classroom, say 20 different people, you probably want to hop on something like Zoom instead. But if it's just a few friends on Instagram, you can definitely use this. It's a great option. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.